In this video, we will show you how to correctly unbox and arrange e.DO on the desk. e.DO is a robotic arm with 6 joints and a gripper, assembled on a hexagonal base, where you can find the emergency stop button. e.DO robot comes with 2 boxes, one containing the robot and the other containing the working board, which is its working area. Inside the longer box, you find the working board, which has dimensions of 120 centimeters by 120 centimeters. e.DO must be placed above the hexagonal shape of the working board, where a Cartesian plane is also depicted. It has a grid formed by squares with sides of 5 centimeters. In addition to the Cartesian plane, further elements are represented. Several rays which start from the origin, and circles to place didactic materials. You can now open e.DO's box. Remove the upper protecting layer of packaging and extract the robot by grasping it at the hexagonal base. It is important not to pull the robotic arm to extract e.DO from the box. e.DO weighs almost 14 kilos, so for a safe procedure, we suggest you to lift it bending your knees. Place the base of e.DO in correspondence of the hexagon drawn on the working board. e.DO's arm must be located above the origin of the Cartesian plane. Then remove the internal protection. Inside the box, you can find also the power supply unit together with the power supply cable, the additional remote emergency stop button, the safety gate key, the Get Started manual together with the declaration of conformity, and the protective glasses. You can now plug the power supply to the back side of the base of e.DO and to the electricity socket. Then connect the safety gate key to the corresponding socket on the remote emergency button cable, and the latter to the e.DO socket connector located on the base. e.DO is now ready to be used. In addition to e.DO Robot, Comau provides a didactic box which contains the objects used for educational activities. White cylinders 5 centimeters tall, black discs with 6 different heights. They can be placed directly on the working board or above the white cylinders. Small colored bricks and dice that, as the black discs, may be placed above the white supports or on the working board in different positions. Small colored spheres, which may be placed above the white supports. 2 blue boxes, which may contain the objects released by e.DO's gripper. A digital scale. A wooden table where you can place papers on which e.DO can draw. A marker holder and 2 markers. The marker holder is an end effector made by Comau to allow e.DO drawing. It has 2 grooves which enable e.DO's gripper to grab it tightly. Let's see how to properly fix the marker holder. First, insert the marker inside the marker holder. Then open the gripper and place the grooves of the marker holder in correspondence of the 2 fingers of the gripper. Finally, close the gripper. e.DO is now ready to draw.